Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So in today's lesson we are going to cover a pedestrian crossing. So the road that we at this moment of time, it's the road that all learners will leave and will come back into the test center in Good Maze. So at the end of the road we're going to be turning left. So as we are approaching, you can anticipate a red car. Behind the red car, there's a pedestrian that is about to cross. Therefore, you as the learner, the moment you see that pedestrian, you need to check your center mirror and come to a full stop until that pedestrian is fully crossed. Therefore, once the pedestrian is fully crossed, check all three mirrors and scan both sides of the pavement until it's clear, and then you can edge forward to come to the giveaway line. Now once you get to the giveaway line, do and scan into the road that you wanted to merge into. Once the road is clear and safe for you to proceed, then you may proceed. And yeah,